Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn calculation of seasonal index in time series, and this we are going to do with the help of a case study. So this is the information provided to us. You are given the percentage of actual to moving averages in the table from a bank data describing the amount of cash circulation in a small branch. So here we are provided the data for 4 years and for different seasons: spring season, summer season, fall season, winter season. And data relates to the year 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001. And this data is in the form of percentages of actual to moving averages. Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to find out seasonal index for each quarter. Friends, this is one of the simplest question to be answered in the time series analysis. Now how we are going to proceed? So this is how we are going to proceed. First, we shall calculate the average of moving averages. So we are given moving averages here. First of all, we shall calculate average thereof. Thereafter, we shall calculate average of averages. So the average is so calculated on the basis of moving averages. So their average will be calculated in the second stage. In the third stage, we will be able to calculate the seasonal index. And that is what we are supposed to calculate quarter-wise. Well, we can start. So this is a table we have prepared for this purpose. So we have taken the information year-wise here. The same information reproduced. For spring, the information is reproduced. For summer, the information is provided. For fall, the information is given. For winter, the information is given. So first of all, we will try to find out the average of these 4 quarters year-wise. So first year is 1998. For spring, 87. Summer, 106. Fall, 86. Winter, 125. So total is 404. Since there are 4 items, 4 quarters, this is the average per quarter. And this is A. So we are to calculate average of moving averages. So these are moving averages. So we have calculated for the year 1988 the average. For 1999, again we shall add these 4. This is the total, divide by 4. So this is average for year 1999. In the same manner, we shall calculate the average. Now we get 4 averages for 4 different years. Now we shall move to second step. Calculate average of averages. So these are the averages. Now we shall calculate average of these averages. So first of all, we will sum it up. So we will total it up. There are 4 items. Then we shall divide by 4. And this is the average of averages. That is double A. So 101.06 is average of averages. With the help of these two, that is with the help of averages and with the help of averages, now we shall calculate the seasonal index. So seasonal index is equal to A, that is average, divided by average of averages, that is what we are having here. So this divided by 101.06, so we get this for the first quarter. 101.25 divided by 101.06, so we get this figure. And for this, so it should in fact be 100.19. Now for this we get this information. For this we get this information. So here it is 119. So this is seasonal index quarter wise. So that is what we were supposed to calculate, the seasonal index for each quarter. So we have calculated seasonal index for each quarter. Well friends, I am sure the contents of this video will benefit you, and thank you for watching the video.